Of all my recipes, this one is by far the lightest on ingredients. I promise I haven't gotten lazy. I'm talking about how to boil eggs. More goes into it than you might think. Boiling eggs is an exercise in timing, both in terms of the heating and cooling processes. You could use your phone's timer, though an egg timer is a cool, very inexpensive kitchen toy, and one that makes a great stocking stuffer for the other foodies in your family. When you are done peeling the eggs, you can save them for salads, sandwiches, or a quick bite of protein. So for this recipe, all you need are eggs. Then, you need a saucepan with lid, some water, a timer or clock, a slotted spoon or tongs, a bowl or basin, and ice cubes. Make sure you have all the necessary ingredients and kitchen tools listed above before starting the process. First, you need to place the eggs in the saucepan. Take the eggs and gently place them in a single layer at the bottom of the saucepan. Avoid stacking the eggs on top of each other. Then, pour enough water into the saucepan to cover the eggs completely. The water level should be about 1 inch to 5 centimeters above the eggs. Position the saucepan on the stove over medium heat. Ensure that the saucepan is centered on the burner for even cooking. Allow the water to come to a full rolling boil. You will see bubbles forming and rising to the surface. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the water reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low. This will prevent the eggs from bouncing around and cracking in the boiling water. Set a timer for the desired level of doneness. For soft-boiled eggs, allow 4 to 6 minutes. For medium-boiled eggs, wait 6 to 8 minutes. And for hard-boiled eggs, you need to wait 9 to 12 minutes. While the eggs are cooking, fill a large bowl or basin with cold water and add ice cubes. This will be used to cool the eggs quickly and stop the cooking process. Once the timer goes off, use a slotted spoon or tongs to carefully transfer the eggs from the saucepan to the ice bath. Place them gently in the water to cool. Allow the eggs to sit in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This will cool them down and help with easier peeling. After the eggs have cooled, gently tap them on a hard surface to crack the shell. Then, peel off the shell under running water. The peeled boiled eggs are now ready to be eaten or used in your favorite recipes. If you liked this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.